Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is Chronically Crafty. Welcome if you're new and welcome back if you've been here before. Today I've got my luxury Hayley Jane box to share with you. So let's get started. This arrived on Saturday and I'm filming on Tuesday, the 14th of April. So this is the Hayley Jane box. I get the luxury one, which I pay for with my own money. I don't get it sent to me to show. All my thoughts are completely my own. And we might have a little visitor in a minute because Bella's popped over to see what's going on. Bella's my cat, by the way. So yeah, so I've just taken the label off. I haven't looked inside at all, so it's been patiently waiting for me to open it since Saturday. See if I can get into it. Ooh. So here is the box. Laying on top we've got the pattern, which comes in the luxury box, and it is a Maison Faux Le Vesnage Libre. So it looks like, oh, that make quite a nice dressing gown. So let's see what else we have in the box. Yellow tissue paper. I have seen boxes of the classic box. What are you doing, Bella? Bella is now sat in my box, or stood in my box. No, you're not sitting in the box, Bella. So first thing we've got are some sewing themed stickers. Then we've got the pamphlet, and the theme for this month is Spring Forward. What else is there? Oh, it's a nice print. It's not really my sort of thing, but lovely none the same. So yeah, we've got the booklet, number 77. Oh, where are you going? No, you're not standing on there. We've got this gorgeous silky fabric, which is, let's have a look at the book. Let me put my glasses on so I can see what we're doing. Supplementary fabric is 100% polyester. I think inside it says, there we go. Yeah, 100% polyester, 1 meter of satin. And it's gorgeous, that blue. Not sure what I'm going to make with it. Out the box for a minute. We've got a purple Gutermann sew wool thread. I'll show you and we've got 2 sugar-free sweets. That's good because I'm diabetic, so I can have those. Not that I don't have the other ones. And then we've got this gorgeous acrylic blossom cotton stretch sateen, 97% cotton, 3% spandex, and yeah, that adds up, doesn't it? 97% cotton, 3% spandex. That's lovely. It's a lovely fabric, feels lovely and soft. Not sure what I'm going to make with that. Maybe the strawberry sherbets, the sweets are. The sugar-free sweets are strawberry sherbets. So we've got the 1 meter of satin, 3.5 meters of the acrylic blossom cotton stretch sateen. We've got Katie Andrews print. We've got 100-meter Gutermann thread. We've got, what does it say about the stickers? Just stickers. They're just stickers. Doesn't say who they're made by. And then we've got the Maison Faux Nage Libre. Let's see what it says about the pattern on the back. Iconic piece of the Bohemian wardrobe, halfway between the jacket and the cover-up. I'm guessing it's Nage because it's French. Nage Libre jacket is ideal for curling up after a swim or in the evening. A straight cut with a large collar that emphasises the neck and bust. Raglan sleeves, flared and cropped. It is modernised by the back yoke detail that energises the silhouette. Available in a long version below the knee or a short version that is flush with the hips. With or without the collar band, it can be reinvented according to your choice of fabrics and your inspiration. And the sizing goes from a size 34, which I'm guessing this is all in centimetres. Size 34, which is a 80, 82 chest, 60, 62 waist, 88, 90 hip, all the way to a size 52, which is 120, 122 chest, 102, 104 waist, 128, 130 hip. And you need for the long version, so I'm going to go for the largest size because that's probably what I fit in. I can't remember my measurements in centimetres. You need 260 for the long centimetres, so 2.60 meters for the long version, and then lining the long version you need another 210 centimeters and 100 centimeters of fusible interfacing. So we haven't got enough that the blue satin would line it, but we've got enough to make an unlined version out of the fabric that's in there. Choice of fabric is viscose, cotton satin, crepe, light to medium weight jacquard, light wool, light gabardine. So yeah, it's not a pattern I'd have picked out myself, but I am going to have a go at making it out of the what was the stretch sateen. I might have a go at making it out of that and see what happens, because I haven't got a clue what else to make out with that. And it might say in the magazine, I might have to take the magazine up to bed and have a read of it. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video today. Let me take the glasses off. I hope you've enjoyed the video today and you've enjoyed seeing what's inside my luxury So Hayley Jane box. I will be back next Tuesday, or I'll be filming again next Tuesday, because my Always Knitting and Sewing Stitchy box has arrived. I haven't opened it. I'm not going to open it until I open it with you, but there's a Always Knitting and Sewing do a live unboxing on the Friday after the box is released, and I don't want to spoil the surprise for anyone else. So thank you for taking the time to watch me. Please give a like and a subscribe. Subscribing doesn't cost anything, just a click of a button, and I'd really appreciate it. Yeah, and if you like, leave a comment below, and I look forward to reading them. Thank you for taking the time to watch me, and I hope you have a good week. Bye bye.